We're back with another easy meal prep. These protein-packed ricotta meatballs can be made multiple ways, take only a few minutes to prep, and will last you the whole week. So let's jump right into that. Before we jump into this, we're almost into the new year. If I sponsored some sort of transformation challenge in 2024, would anyone be interested in that? Let me know in the comments below, and if so, I'll see what I can come up with. To make these, start with a large mixing bowl. Add into it 2 cups of a part skim ricotta cheese and 1.5 cups of your choice breadcrumbs. Mix those together. If you're watching your carbs or have dietary restrictions, you can leave the breadcrumbs out. They'll still turn out great. I'll put the nutritional information for both variations on the proteinchef.co along with some other substitutes. Continue with 3 large whole eggs, 3/4 a cup of Parmesan cheese, 5 teaspoons of minced garlic, half a chopped up onion, 1.5 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 pounds of a 93.7 lean ground beef or turkey. Mix all of those ingredients together. Using your hands or a mixer will help speed this step up. Also, keep in mind that you can easily adjust this recipe to your liking. Want them spicy? Add some crushed red pepper. Don't like onion? Remove it. Like another vegetable in your meatballs? Add it in. The base recipe is included on the website. Now for the fun part, shaping our balls. To do this, simply choose how big you want to make them and roll them up until they look like this. Yes, I made them big today. Repeat till all of your mix is gone, then take out a large stovetop pan, baking sheet or dish, or slow cooker. The best method, but also the longest prep, is the stovetop. To make them on here, turn your burner on medium heat and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that heats up, add in your meatballs and let them brown on all sides for a couple minutes. Once brown, turn your burner on low heat and add in a jar of your favorite pasta sauce. Put your cover on, let them cook for around 30 minutes or until they reach 165. The bigger they are, the longer they'll take to cook. Now to make them in the oven, put them on a baking sheet or in a baking dish and cook them on 375 for around 30 to 40 minutes. To make them in the slow cooker, simply add your pasta sauce in, followed by your meatballs. Let them cook on low heat for around 4 to 6 hours. Again, remember that depending on the size you made them, they'll take more or less time to cook. In the end, they should look something like this. I guess I should also shout out a food thermometer here. I use one for almost everything. No specific brand, but I've used this one for years, and it's the cheapest one I could find on Amazon. I'll throw a link to it below if you don't have one. With that said, the winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating for the avocado was, bang, you win a shaker shirt. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button to help the algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. And of course, stay healthy and enjoy your balls.